Today is just going to be a quick video of reinstalling the left fog cover, the one that I lost on the off-road trip the other day. It actually came in a few days ago, but I mistakenly ordered the wrong one, so be careful when you order, and I'll have the part number down below if you need it, and it'll also be in the video. They reordered it for me. I picked it up today, and so let's install that now, and you can see it's going to be quick and easy. So thanks for watching as always. Alright guys, so today we are going to install my left fog light cover that I lost the other day, and hopefully you can get that number. So let's get this out of the package and see what we got here. And there she is, in all of her glory. Alright, so here we have the fog light cover, and essentially you just have some tabs. It looks like they go on either side. So if I didn't dent anything, this should, God willing, slide happily into here. Oops. Missed one back here, didn't I? And there you go. That's all there is to it. So the next thing I want to do is I want to take the whole bumper off. Not today, but I'm going to try to get this little. I think I can push it out from the back. There's a little bit of a dent there. So that looks like that's all there is to it. Quick and easy. Check your fog light covers when you come off the trail, and be careful out there, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and appreciate all the support. Cheers.